So it's very interesting. The focus we see here at the conference today is one very much of short-termism. People are focusing on a bearish attitude to the iron ore price, which I don't think is real. It's definitely a price environment which is soft at the moment, but people build mining projects on long-term views, on thematic views on iron. So I think what people need to focus on is a longer-term perspective, the price out 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and I'm very confident that price is a stronger for longer perspective. As I said, I think the price of the product has softened somewhat. In October last year, we saw the price coming all the way back off to 120, and I think it reached that level and bounced straight back up again, which is probably a sign that that sort of level is a natural floor because of the marginal cost of supply. So I would hope that even if things are more negative going forward in 2012, we won't see prices fall beyond those levels. And as I said, in the longer term, I think the pricing environment will be much more positive. Yes, very exciting. So I was at site at the weekend. On Monday, we broke ground on the foundation holes for the processing plant, which was a great honor to be doing this with 400 or so Chinese workers celebrating with big IRC yellow balloons. It is another step forward for us. It's something that we're proud of doing on time, and it leaves us with plenty of time to commission the facility towards the end of next year. So again, this is a positive milestone for IRC. Well, I think what people should remember when they look at our group at IRC is the fact that we have a very valuable portfolio of assets in-house already. We're asked a lot about M&A and how we may extend the portfolio, but I think the advice also we get from some of our supportive investors is what they call stick to your knitting. We're doing something very good in terms of constructing KNS. We have the doubling of capacity of KNS, which is a phenomenal project. We have our new study for Garanskoy, which is very positive. It shows that we can build out the mine to a production of concentrate 2.1 million tons, and we can deliver that material to the Chinese border for $40 a ton, which, according to the cost charts that I see, is one of the lowest cost mining operations in the world in amongst new projects. So KNS expansion, doubling of capacity there, the growth of Garanskoy when we break ground. I think we've got plenty of things in-house before we need to look outside.